So it's 2020. Things are fairly crazy with the pandemic going on. And my partner Lindsay and I are stuck at home. She has a birthday coming up, and it's a big one. And I'd like to do something special for her. In 2017, her and I took a trip to the Far East. So I've decided to make a video about that. So here we go. Happy birthday. Lukla was a bit of a surprise for me. It's the starting point for many trekkers heading out to Mount Everest. Their final supplies, and this is when they're finally heading out on foot to make I think it's a 2-week journey out to the mountain, so to base camp. There is an airport here. It is known as one of the most dangerous airports in the world, and I could see why. The airstrip has a cliff on one end and a sheer wall at the other, and it's angled it's like this-ish, and it's for the planes it looks a little hairy. They need all that runway, and if they don't time it right, they're either gonna smash into the cliff, fall off the cliff, or smash into the mountain at the other end. So my hat's off to those pilots. And literally right beside there is where all the helicopters land. So when we came in and landed, literally the wings of the plane were going over our heads. It's a crazy place. The reason why we stopped here is because we needed to get into a second helicopter. This helicopter had twin engines, it was more powerful, and it was required for where we're going to. We're heading up high. So let's sit back and watch a couple more surprises for Lindsay.
Call